how to sell crypto on Robinhood. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell crypto on Robinhood. In order to sell crypto on Robinhood, first of all, check your internet connection and then log in into your Robinhood account. So before you log in, it's going to ask you to type in the passcode. So go ahead and enter in your passcode and log in into your account. Once you're logged in, it's going to direct you to the other interface or the home page. Here, go ahead and tap the profile icon located at the bottom of your page. Now it's going to direct you to the account center page. Here you need to scroll down and you'll be able to find multiple categories. Whether you want to sell stocks, whether you want to sell EFTs, options, crypto, whatsoever, select it accordingly, and on the search box type in the asset name that you wish to sell. So in my case, I'm going to go with the Tesla. Once you locate the following Tesla, now in order to be eligible to sell crypto on Robinhood, you must make sure that your account is verified. Along with that, you have enough funds. In my case, I haven't verified my account, so I won't be able to tap the trade button, which is going to direct me to the sell option. So all you have to do is just tap the trade button and then you'll be directed to two different options. That is, either you can buy or sell. So you can go ahead and tap the sell button. As soon as you do that, next page, you need to enter in the exact amount that you wish to sell. Make sure that you have enough coins as well, and go to the confirmation page and all that, and in order to submit or in order to confirm it, swipe up, and that's basically how you can sell crypto on Robinhood. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.